Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make money on Instagram as a beginner by promoting big brands like Nike, ADIDAS and Puma. And don't worry, we won't use Amazon affiliate program. There is much better way. You will make up to 20% affiliate commission per sale. So make sure to watch entire video. But before we begin, please like this video, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. With that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start. When you go on Google and when you type most profitable Instagram niches, you will see this list here. And you will see that most profitable niche is travel. And that makes sense because people like to share their travel photos. Second most profitable is beauty, and third most profitable is fashion. And it's estimated that fashion niche will make more than $600 million this year online. So fashion niche on Instagram is huge and people are making lots of money in fashion niche on Instagram. So first thing you need to do is you need to go on Instagram and you need to make your Instagram page, and it doesn't have to be something fancy. You can make simple page just like this. Add catchy name, add interesting profile image, add some bio and start sharing photos. And like I said in the intro, you can promote big brands like Nike, Puma, Adidas and so on. So here in search bar, I will just type hashtag Nike shoes and click on this. And here you can see people are sharing photos of Nike shoes. And as you can see, there is more than 5 million posts of Nike shoes. So let's say I wish to click on this image here. And let's just open this page just to check it out. And as you can see, they have 206,000 followers. And all they do is just share photos of Nike shoes. And most of these photos are actually not theirs. They are downloading photos from official Nike website and official Nike Instagram page. And from time to time, they actually take photos from other people. And when you take photos from other people, always give the credit to the original creator of that photo. And you can do exactly the same thing for Adidas. Adidas shoes. As you can see here, people are sharing photos of Adidas shoes, and there is more than 2 million posts about Adidas shoes. And you can do same, for example, for Puma shoes. There is more than 500,000 posts of Puma shoes. And like you see, people are sharing photos of Puma shoes here on Instagram, and they're promoting them and making money. And one of the best is Shein. As you can see, they have more than 16 million followers, and Shein is not about shoes, it's about women's clothing, and they're selling all kind of women clothing. And you can promote all of these big brands on your Instagram page. And like I said, all you have to do is just make your page and grow that page just like these guys. And to grow your page, you can use follow for follow. You can use right hashtags. You can comment on big pages in your niche and so on and grow your Instagram page. But I heard so many people, especially girls, saying I have successful YouTube channel in fashion niche. I have successful fashion Instagram page. I have successful fashion blog. But only way for me to promote these big brands is through Amazon. But Amazon is paying only 1 to 3% affiliate commission. But don't worry, there is a better way. You can work directly with these big companies. You can send people directly on official stores of these big companies like Adidas, like Nike, like Puma and so on and so on. When you come on this website here, you can see, for example, 16 best shoe affiliate programs for 2020. And when you scroll here, you can see big companies that are offering affiliate programs. For example, Puma, Shein, Nike. Adidas is not on this list, but they are also offering affiliate program on their website. And when you scroll here, you can see that, for example, Puma is offering 5% commission rate, and they have cookie duration of 14 days. And when you scroll here, you will see that Shein, for example, is giving 10% affiliate rate, but they are actually giving 10 to 20% commission. EPC is $28. EPC stands earn per click, and cookie duration is 30 days, which means if you send someone on Shein and they don't buy anything that first day, don't worry if they buy something in next 30 days, you will still get 10 to 20% affiliate commission. And you can click here to visit Shein affiliate page. And when you come on their affiliate page, here you can see how it works. Affiliate promotes Shein on social platforms. Potential customer clicks on the post, customer order at Shein, and affiliate receive commission. Your benefits, 10 to 20% commission on each referral sale. Extra monthly cash bonus, new monthly profitable activities, 30-day cookie duration, like I said. Your customer benefits, over 2 million items in stock, 500 new arrivals every day, affordable prices, 24/7 customer service, no question asked, return and refund. And to register, come here on Join Us, sign up, scroll here, add your first name, add your last name, country and region, add your email, your password, confirm your password. You don't have to click here, click next, agree with the terms of condition, confirm your email, and you are good to go. And some of their items cost $200, $300, $400, and you can make up to 20% commission, which means if you sell $200 item, you can make up to $40 for selling that item. And for example, when you click here on dresses, you will see that there is lots and lots of dresses on Shein, and you can use these photos here on their website to post them on your Instagram page in order to promote these dresses. And if you're thinking about copyright issues, there is no copyright issues because you are using these photos to promote their products, so you are both making money. So there is no copyright issues. They will not make any problems about that as long as you are promoting their products. And to promote these dresses, shoes, or whatever you are promoting, all you have to do is just make an Instagram page, and it doesn't have to be anything fancy. And here in the bio, just add your affiliate link. An even better solution is to make your blog or affiliate website. Just like these guys did, you can make your own affiliate stores and you can send people on official stores of these big brands like Nike, Puma, ADIDAS, Shein, and so on, as you can see here. And you can promote these big companies not just on your Instagram page, but you can promote them on your YouTube channel, Twitter page, TikTok page, on your blog, and so on. And it's much easier to promote these big brands because you will be sending people on official stores of these big brands. And you will easily make sales because these are official stores of these big companies. And you can join to affiliate program on few of these big companies just like these guys did here. As you can see, Adidas, Nike, Puma. And you can make from 5 to 20% commission for every sale you make. And some of these products are costing $2, $3, $4, $500. So this is how you can make money on Instagram promoting big brands even if you are a beginner.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.